Hey everyone! Exciting news from Google Maps for iOS users. Google is finally rolling out support for speedometer readings and speed limits, and yes, it works seamlessly with CarPlay too. Interestingly, this feature comes 5 years after it was introduced on Android, but hey, better late than never, right? If you're not seeing it yet, don't worry, it might take a few weeks for the rollout to reach everyone. Here's how it works. The speedometer in Google Maps will display your speed in either km/h or mph, depending on your location settings. You can enable it by going to Settings, then Navigation, and selecting Driving Options. Additionally, the speed limit feature will change the colors on the speedometer to remind you to stay within the speed limit for that area. It's a helpful nudge to keep you safe and within legal limits. A quick note from Google: the speedometer reading in Maps is for informational purposes only, so always rely on your vehicle's speedometer to confirm your actual driving speed. So, iOS users, are you excited to finally have these features in Google Maps? Let me know in the comments below what you think and if you've already spotted the update. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates like this.